It is headband hot outside today. On site, we're installing subflooring for a brand new main floor renovation that we're working on. So I think I'm gonna challenge Brian to a screw off. You heard me. I think I can beat him. All right, so Brian and I are gonna have a race to see who can lay down this piece of subflooring faster. I'm gonna use this DeWalt, he's gonna use that Makita, whatever it's called, and we're gonna see who can get it done the fastest.
I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you.
All right, Bride, it's your turn. Ready, set, go.
I'd like to. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. If I may, if I may. I'd like to love you, love you.
Oh, done. Time to beat. 6:30. Oh, I should have stopped it. Time to beat. Official time. It's probably 6:30. You ready? I was born ready. All right. We're off. I might have cheated them a couple seconds there. See you in an hour.
In the backseat of a car, so never let me get that far.
See you in an hour. Time! Woo! That's a hot one.
Your score is a hot one.
Ah!
What do you think, folks? Do you think this chunk that he's missing here is an extra 2 minutes worth?
To be fair, you've done this for like 15 years. This is my second subfloor ever.
You say competition. I'm not Mr. Nice Guy anymore. Sorry.
See you in the next one. Does that mean I win? Right? Because when you dump that on the coach, that means you win, right?